Welcome to Autopedia's ultimate deep dive into IAA Mobility 2025. Settle in and get ready. This isn't just a static car show. It's a massive international festival, a tech expo, and a crystal ball into the future of personal mobility. Across the city, from the gleaming halls of Messe München to the buzzing, open-air displays scattered throughout downtown, we're witnessing the full spectrum of innovation. If you love cars, you'll want every minute of this. We begin our journey in the heart of the BMW Pavilion. BMW has transformed its identity for 2025 with the global debut of the iX3, the very first to ride on the Neue Klasse platform. This car is the physical symbol of BMW's shift into the next era. Sleek, sustainable, packed with technology, and daringly futuristic. The numbers sound like science fiction. An 800-volt electric powertrain, a gigantic 107 kWh battery, charging from 10 to 80% in just 21 minutes, and cruising for up to 800 kilometers on a single charge. Inside, the cabin is elegant and minimal, dominated by curved glass and their stunning panoramic iDrive display. But they're not stopping there. The Vision driving experience prototype sits nearby, and for the true tech nerd, this prototype boasts 18,000 newton-meters of wheel torque, blurring the lines between concept and upcoming performance production. Let's cruise over to Mercedes-Benz, where luxury and next-generation technology come together in dazzling fashion. This year, the headliner is the all-electric Mercedes GLC, a family SUV promising 700 kilometers of real-world range, lightning-quick charging, up to 482 horsepower, and luxury touches like the Mercedes IQ Tech interface. Their illuminated grille and panoramic cockpit give it presence both inside and out. But the Mercedes event is about more than just SUVs. The Vision V, an ultra-luxurious electric van, is turning heads with its open lounge seating, glass roof, cinema-scale screens, and smart glass technology. The CLA family introduces new shooting brake and sedan variants, both going all-electric for the first time, each carrying a taste of tomorrow's driving experience. And for thrills, don't miss the AMG GT Track Sport, a full-fat V8 rocket for purists, standing bold beside the GT Mercedes-AMG's first major leap into the electric hypercar world, with wild design cues and next-level performance tech. German innovation keeps rolling as Volkswagen Group goes all in on EVs. The VW ID.2 is the affordable, city-centric answer for the electric age. Think subcompact cabin, roughly 400 kilometers of range, and an interior that's both digital and delightfully classic. The ID.2X crossover brings a rugged edge to the formula. Meanwhile, Cupra charges ahead with the Tindaya, a sleek showpiece, and the Raval, a city EV with hot hatch attitude. Škoda keeps electric practicality in focus with the epic compact SUV and Vision O, envisioned as an all-electric future for the beloved Octavia wagon. And topping the versatility stakes, the Škoda Space SUV brings 3 rows of seating to the all-electric field, making electric family travel truly possible. But the IAA's global flavor shines brightest through the massive Chinese presence. BYD makes its play for European hearts through a double launch, the all-electric Seal 06 and a practical plug-in Seal 06 DMI wagon, while its Yangwang U8L luxury SUV flexes an 880-kilowatt quad-motor setup, hyper-intelligent hydraulic suspension, and next-gen advanced driving aids with triple LiDAR backup. Denza, BYD's new luxury branch, surprises with the Denza Z concept, a chic electric sports car. Meanwhile, Leapmotor reinforces the push with the B10 electric C-segment SUV, featuring rear-wheel drive, impressive specs for city and family use, and slick pricing aimed squarely at European tastes. The B10 will soon be joined by a range-extended version for even more flexibility. XPeng's X9 luxury van is all about the smartest mobility, offering zero-gravity seats, a massive 740 kilometers range, a Hawkeye ADAS suite for hands-free autonomy, and fast charging in the ballpark of 15 minutes. Add in Chery, arriving with both Omoda and JQ brands, 5 new SUVs from all-electric city crossovers to PHEVs running on a super hybrid system, capable of 1,200 kilometers total range and up to 100 kilometers pure electric. Exeed, Chery's luxury spin-off, pulls the cover off the Xlantix E05, a 165 kilometers pure electric range extended SUV built for both punch and practicality. Swinging over to Korea, Hyundai makes a splash with its next-gen Ioniq, all but confirmed to be the Ioniq 2 or 3, flaunting Plio's software, class-leading eGMP chassis, and a statement blend of smart design, straightforward practicality, and advanced connectivity. Kia broadens the attack with EV4 and EV2, the former a compact sedan, the latter a feisty city EV, both riding on shared architectures but tuned for different lifestyles. For families and fleet buyers, the PV5 bridges into modular, work-ready electrification, putting Korea right at Europe's electric doorstep. All of these models embrace the surge toward shorter charging times, smarter controls, and connectivity tailored to millennial and Gen Z buyers. Coming back to Europe, Renault's new Clio gets its long-overdue overhaul, a cleaner hybrid powertrain focused on efficiency and a digitally driven interior, finally putting the icon in the modern era. The Twingo E-Tech rolls out as a zippy, city-friendly electric with the spirit of the original, showing how the French brand plans to stay relevant in tomorrow's cities. Opel, flying the Stellantis flag, has the new Mach-E GSE, its most potent electric model ever, hitting 0-100 km/h in just 5.9 seconds with 207 kilowatts on tap and a WLTP range of 336 kilometers. Even better, Opel's debuting the world's first homologated electric rally car, the Mach-E GSE Rally, set to launch the ADAC Opel Electric Rally Cup in 2026, a sign of motorsport's all-electric future. Scan the hall and you see Scandinavian pride glimmering in the spotlight. Polestar 5, finally ready for showtime, lands as a genuine Porsche Taycan and Lotus Emea rival, an 850 horsepower, 800-volt architectured sedan that blends outright speed with classic cleanliness and sustainable comfort. Volvo drops a teaser for the EX60, its own take on the luxury compact crossover, primed for families who want class-leading safety and green cred with zero compromises, coming to market in 2026. From Japan, Honda brings a taste of Tokyo with the N1E, a fully electric K-car, ideally shaped for super-crowded cities and built to fit into ever more packed parking spaces, all with enough charm to draw a crowd. Subaru pledges 3 new EV SUVs for Europe, blending robust outdoorsy vibes with newfound eco-consciousness. Step aside for high-powered drama. Porsche's Cayenne Electric smashes onto the scene as the latest silent thunder sport SUV, blending up to 1,000 horsepower with adaptive dynamics and a sharply refined silhouette. Across the show, manufacturers are also looking outside the auto mainstream. Morel, a radical startup, is showing off an e-bike that could recharge in under 15 minutes, a real game-changer for urban commuters. Porsche surprises the boating crowd by breaking speed records with its electric Frauscher 850 Phantom e-boat. And across the channel, Rivian is opening a new AI development center in London, targeting breakthrough leaps in autonomous driving. The festival spirit isn't only in the hardware. Munich's IAA brings interaction alive. In the free open space, visitors can try out everything from urban test drives to immersive demos. Experts host panels on batteries, autonomy, AI, software-defined cars, and radical new ideas on sustainability and the circular economy. Young creators, motorsport legends, and EV startups all mix with the public, making this not just a show but a living laboratory. In 2025, as gasoline legends share the stage with digital native EVs, the big message is clear. Mobility is more open, creative, and exciting than ever. Brands old and new aim for sustainability, speed, versatility, and a totally reimagined human experience. We're seeing not just new cars, but new mindsets, new markets, and the start of a global electric future. So, what do you think will define the next chapter? The old giants reinvented, or the bold newcomers disrupting the game? Drop your thoughts in the comments, subscribe to Autopedia, and hit that bell to keep up with the world's most comprehensive, passionate auto coverage. Thanks for watching, and see you soon for more test drives, analysis, and deep dives into the road ahead.